Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to answer or decline calls using Siri on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on Siri or Siri and search. Now scroll down, locate call hang up and then click on it. Make sure call hang up is enabled. And then you are good. Now, when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, you can easily ask Siri to pick up the call or ask Siri to turn off the call. Hey Siri, answer the call. To hang up the call, you can simply say, hey Siri, hang up. You see that? So that is exactly how to use Siri to answer call and end call on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.